Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I made a video earlier today by putting slots in something and somebody questioned because they didn't quite understand. And actually in that video, I had to use a calculator, and then I started thinking, I knew there was a better way. So if you have your item selected and have your rotation in the middle, if you go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform or Transformation, I had to get out a calculator to, 360 divided by 14 was 25, and I had to take that number and paste it over here. Well, I'd forgotten you can do it right here. I did forget. So type in 360 divided by 14. Now we need 13 copies because we've already got one. Whenever Corel says copies, it's going to take the existing one. So it did it that quick, and it's the same number, and it's actually probably extended out perfectly. And then what I also did in that video, and this is what he didn't understand, I went front minus, well, let's back up here and make sure. I went back minus front. So, and you really never know which one's on top, but that's what cut those slots in there. And I'm pretty sure, see, it's already connected, so you don't have to take the Smart Fill tool. But instead of doing that front or back minus front, you could always do the Smart Fill tool, and it'll fill in, and it's actually making that new object. And then you can left click, right click, and you've got the exact same process. And you could use any number. I mean, it doesn't have to be 14. It could be 11, 33, and Corel will help you do the math. Anyway, I hope that helped and answered their question, and thank you for watching.